Hey, Dan here with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2017 Chevy Tahoe. Customer called and said all of a sudden her vehicle started running kind of rough. Noticed it especially sitting at like a stoplight for an extended period of time or at a stop sign if she had to wait a while. Check engine light had come on and then intermittently it would start flashing. So we said, yeah, bring it in, let's take a look at it. Hooked it up to the scan tool, noticed that she had a misfiring code on cylinder 4. Went ahead and did some more research, looked at the plugs. Seemed like something wasn't really right with the way maybe the injector was working. Did some testing on it, looked at the rail pressures and some different information we can get through our scan tool and the vehicle computer. With these new direct injection motors, we're starting to find that you can have some fuel injection failure because of the amount of pressure that fuel injection system is producing now. Advised her that she did need to have an injector replaced. Sometimes we would recommend replacing all the injectors on one side, but with the expense of these injectors, we decided that we would just replace the one that was failed. Got it put back together, took it for a test drive, everything seemed to be working correctly. Vehicle was smooth at any extended stoplight situations, no more check engine light or flashing check engine light. So if you have a vehicle that's kind of running rough or maybe the check engine light's on, you'd like to get that looked at, we do offer free inspections for those types of things. So if you have an issue like that and you'd like to get it looked at, please feel free to give us a call. My name's Dan. Look forward to seeing you at the shop.
Please share this video so other people can get this information.